sing, not with vocal cords, but with a series of half rings in the throat called syrinx. I was born with the gift of singing as the bird, and the scientists have discovered that the reason for this is in the formation of my throat, which is identical with that of the bird. The lark, the thrush, the nightingale, all singing birds have many rings or half rings in the throat and can sing many songs. Such and all fowls have but two half rings, and so can only produce a squawk. All birds, while singing, use their beaks to start and stop the tone. I do the same with my lips. Nearly all birds trill. Their trill is produced not by the throbbing throat, but by the vibration of the lower mandible. I produce my trill in like manner. Being able to flutter one lip independently of the other, you hear the metallic bird trill. When the babies are in the nest, the parent bird puts the beak close to them, seals the beak, and whispers through the nostrils. This is called the whisper voice. In early childhood, my bird songs were always emitted in this manner. I shall now sing with my throat, the lips tightly sealed, and the harmonies produced entirely through the nostrils. The notes of the marsh fowls are produced by using the long throat as a sounding chamber. I use my throat and cheeks in the same manner. To follow out these simple observations, watch your canary, and when he chirps, fills and whispers and sings, note how he does it.